Are you willing to spend a meaningful trip in Kenya this year? Join Indigo Earth Foundations. We organized a conservation and safari trip in November. We will spend 2 days in Nairobi. We will do a safari in Nairobi National Park, known from its landscape on the town with antelopes, rhinos, and we are going to visit the elephant orphanage from Childwick Trust and the giraffe center. We'll then head out to Enarau Conservancy, which is a former area that was used for farming, that they are transforming to a wildlife corridor and connecting other conservancies. So we are going to spend time with them doing research, vegetation survey, birds and mammal transect, using the camera traps and entering all the data we collect in their system so that they can use it. We are going to help them with their reforestation and revegetation program, spending time at the nursery, preparing the seedling, doing some tree plantation as well. And we will have one full day with the community, working for the community health outreach and participating in the talks on family planning. We will spend some time with the Maasai women and doing some beadworks and maybe a necklace or bracelet, and then we will start our safari. We will go to Naboisho Conservancy with a 4x4, stop on the way at a white rhino sanctuary. We will also stop on the way at the Mara Elephant Project headquarters to benefit from a tour, a conservation talk and a drone demonstration. And then we'll spend 3 full days there doing safaris and bushwalk that are organized and guided by the Maasais that know their ecosystem like pretty well and are going to transfer part of their knowledge. And then we'll have some bush dinner around the fire with some story and dancing. That's going to be amazing. And then we are going closer to the Mara National Reserve. We spend an afternoon with the community to see how they work and their program in that area. We have a full day in the Mara National Reserve for its landscape, the predators activity that they have there. And then we'll finish with a bushwalk for bird observations next to the Talek River before heading back to Nairobi. We will be leading the group, Christopher and I. The full itinerary is in the comments, so do not hesitate to reach us. There would be for 6 people, and we are looking for your message. See you soon.